Hey everyone, so you're probably wondering why I'm in a different position, like I'm usually in my background, but I'm not there today. Anyways, today is my 10th video for YouTube. I don't know how that feels for y'all, but it feels a lot for me because I made 10 successful videos of YouTube. And I want to make this one really special, but I couldn't. Since today's Earth Day, I had to do something related to that. But then again, I'm going to do a CRCT prep video, like I promised all my CRCT viewers. So stay tuned to this, and let me show you a really good website that will change your life and has like almost all of the correct answers to the CRCT. It has exactly the same questions as the CRCT in the same format, just in a different order, depending on what form you have. So I'll put the link down below in the description if I can. If I can't, you better pay attention to this video and take some notes. So get your pen and paper out and get ready to learn an awesome way to pass, actually exceed the CRCT. This is Jazzy Spirit Eyes, and welcome to How to Exceed the CRCT. Okay, so I've already opened up this website for you all, and just pay close attention and you'll do your best, and hopefully everything will go right. Alright, so I'm already on the Google homepage, and you're just going to quickly go ahead and click. Let me just give a brief introduction to why Google looks like this today. Today is Earth Day, and Google is celebrating, I guess, Earth Day. It's really cool how you can play with all the features of Google. Right now I'm trying to pop these flowers, and they're all gone. And then you have these ants, and then you have these fishes, and then you can just kind of cut down. And as I move my cursor, you can see how these little wind things are forming. I'm not really sure if you can see those. Okay, so let me go ahead and close those tabs. Alright, so we're over here back to Google. Now, this is the website. You're going to type into your URL. And in your URL, you're going to type in www. It's already popped up there, but I'm just going to type it in for you. Links with a S to like T-O, not T-W-O or the number 2, just T-O. I'm going to use sign language, T-O. So look at links to learning. And no spaces, of course. This is a URL, never no spaces in. Alright, so this is the page you're going to come up to. This is what you start seeing. So we're just going to scroll down, and it's going to say, let's get started, choose your state. So you're just going to click on Georgia, because that's where I'm from. And, excuse me, it's going to give you options as CRCT, ELCT, which is for high school, GHSGT, I think that's for college, I'm not sure, or some other community or something. But since we're in Georgia and we're on the Georgia Department of Education, we're going to go on CRCT. It's going to say choose your grade, because the CRCT is from grade 1 all the way to grade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. I sound a little country, and I'm sick, so that's probably why. So you're just going to click on grade 7, since I'm in 7th grade, and we're just going to go down to science, since tomorrow's the science test. So as you know, these in red, all of these in red are the ones I already took, and I have to take like 10 more, which I'm not, but that's just a short reminder showing you. And right here, as you can see, they have the standards written for all of them right here, so you can choose if you want the standards, whatever. I mean, if your teacher says to go to this website, it's really good, and I totally agree with your teacher. So we're just going to take test, we're going to go to test 7, just a random test, and it'll just go straight to a test, which will just kind of help you with your standards, basically. So let me just get this at a better position. And it's going to ask for your name. It's optional if you want. It's just that when it gives you results, it'll just send an email to you and tell you all the things you got wrong and all the things that you need to probably study on and stuff. So I'm just going to type in my email. It's already there. Alright, we're going to scroll down, and it says drawing below. The drawing below represents a pair of chromosomes. The area labeled band show the location of specific genes. I'm just going to go with specific genes. Which of the following is an example of and it's only 10 questions, 10 10 questions. So you don't have to worry about so many, like 50 million. It's just 10. Okay, and let's see. Which of the following is an example of a strategy that is used to avoid being killed and eaten by predators? Let's see. Yeah, it will be, angelfish produce light to attract other fish, I'm guessing. Otters produce oil to coat their fur and make you water. I don't know, but we're just going to go with C. The diagram below shows a green plant. What is the main function of the plant structure labeled A? That'll be the release of water, reproduction, release of miniature, I guess, or support. Oh, can y'all see? I'm so sorry. And then it says, eye color is a trait that two parents could pass on to their kids, even though the trait might not be expressed in the parents, such as traits considered to be inherited. Many cars today are designed to get better gas mileage than those made in the past. This change resulted from a need to conserve resources. Excuse me. I'm guessing conserve resources. I don't know. I'm just guessing right now. What is the main nutrient source for some fungi? Dead organisms. I don't know. I'm guessing, you guys. Which event is the best way of competition between species in a pond or environment? So, excuse me. Basically, if you like to play teacher like me, I love to play teacher, especially when I was little. I used to play teacher every single day. And I just, oh my God. And I'm so glad I found this website because I can actually teach my kids this now. And my class is supposed to be over there, but, you know. Alright, so let's, plants use carbon dioxide for which of the following process? Waste disposal. Yeah, I'm just gonna guess. Alright, grasses, shrubs, and trees are called producers because they make food. A scientist causes two different varieties of corn to produce a single variety that has the traits from both of its parents. This technique is an example of cross-breeding or selective breeding. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to click on score. It's going to tell me my score. And I got a 7. I got 7 out of 10 right. And then what I like about it is that it actually shows you, like, the real correct answer and then what you got. And then it actually gives you a beautiful explanation right here just to tell you, okay? So if your answer matches with it, then you got it right. Okay, so we got number 2 wrong. It was Newton drops their tail when threatened. I know I got this one wrong for sure. Yeah, support. I was going to choose support. Conserve resources instead of inherited. Okay, so yeah, basically it just tells you all the correct answers. Or you can just scroll straight to the bottom and see which numbers you got wrong. Basically, if you got them wrong, you will have a check, you will have a plus sign here. And if you got them wrong, it will be a check plus here. And if you got them right, it'll be over here. If it's a negative in this line, then that means that you got that certain part wrong of that question. And then it'll scoot you over here and it'll tell you. So a not answer, that's usually always blank. But yeah, there is the website. Thanks for letting me waste 9 minutes of your lives. I really love you all, and thanks for watching. That it's a really good website, and it really helps. So yeah, I'm just gonna write it down real quickly so you can look at it for like a few and write it down somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna write it right here. So let's just kind of focus right here. Just look in that corner. It's www.links to learning and then .com. Okay, really, really, really good website. And if you have notes like mine's on your computer or a laptop or whatever, if you have like a little sticky box, you can easily just click on it and then click control and then click, and it'll take you straight to the website. So this is what I love about the computers, is that when you type in this little link, all you gotta do is click on it, it'll take you straight there. So it's basically easier. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, if you want, you can rate, comment, subscribe if you have time. I really don't care if you don't, but just like I said, just rate, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you like this, and please give me any good websites that you have, because I love teaching fake classes because it helps me study better. And thanks for letting me waste 10 minutes and 55 seconds of your lives. Love you all. Peace. Ciao. Jazzy's Paradise. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe.